Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red, green, and then the orange line are coming from. And today's price movement, very, very impressive. Now, granted, it's not like the price exploded upwards and put in new highs or anything like that, but you got to keep things in context. And the context of the matter is it did not start off good at all for this one today. There was a gap down. After the gap down, the price flushed, got as low as this area of the chart. But from that point forward was a slow and steady grind the remainder of the day. And in fact, so much so that now the big question going forward is, hey, is this the beginning of a bigger breakout? Breakout of what? Well, that orange line there, the trend line. You can see that right now. I mean, that is the power of charts right there. Surprise, surprise that the price was grinding higher all day long, and then all of a sudden starts to get caught up in that trend line right there. And I'm not saying the price can't break above that line. I'm just saying from a technical point of view, from a charting standpoint, it makes sense why the price all of a sudden started to get hung up right around this current area of the chart at 485-ish. So that is, like I said, the big question going forward into Friday. Hey, is this the start of something bigger of the trend line break? A great point of confirmation that would, just reassure people that, yeah, this is actually the start of something bigger. Yeah, the price is getting that much stronger. Is all right. Well, let's see how the price reacts now at $5, which is that resistance that I've talked about before. So these two resistance levels are actually acting very nicely with one another because the $5 mark can help confirm whether or not the break of this current resistance is actually a true break or if it's one of those pesky fake breaks. So definitely keep an eye on those couple levels going forward. Those are definitely the main dynamics. And then after that, nothing else really to report. I mean, yeah, 445 was an area of support, and it did a great job of ultimately holding, and not only holding but providing the bounce that occurred from there. But given where the price closed right now, main dynamics, main question, like I said, is just a matter of, is this the start of a bigger breakout? So let's see how the price reacts in regards to these two levels. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.